Hi everybody, Mark Wild, CEO HS2 here. Very pleased to give you a project update. I'm standing here in a mock-up of one of the carriages of a future high-speed train. I'm with colleagues from the Hitachi Alstom Design Development Centre here in Derby. This work's essential because it makes sure that when customers do join this railway, they'll be safe, it'll be accessible, and it'll meet their needs. Really pleased to be here in Derby, working with a tremendous team. 2025 was an epic year for HS2. We are obviously resetting the program, more on that later, but while we're resetting, it's essential that we remain safe and of course increase our productivity. 2025 was a good year, a productive year. We achieved many notable milestones. We completed the Colne Valley Viaduct, Britain's longest railway bridge. We completed all of the tunnelling between Alder Common and Birmingham Curzon Street, and of course worked on many other bridges and structures. Hopefully if people drive past our sites they can see the visible changes that are occurring. But what's ahead? Well, more earthworks first of all. We set records last year for the amount of earth that we moved, more of that in the future. We are getting ever more clever and productive the way we're doing this. We also look forward to starting the tunnelling drive of our final 2 tunnel boring machines from Alder Common to Euston. We'll also push the Curzon 2 bridge into place in Birmingham, changing the skyline of Birmingham forever and a real visible symbol that we are getting on with this job and we're being productive, and every single day the railway becomes more of a reality. Now of course, we're doing this safe and productive work with 34,000 colleagues. We're doing it at the same time we are resetting the program. That's the task I set. We'll be safe and productive while we reset. This railway really matters. A strategic asset, a fundamental cornerstone of the future national rail network. Better journeys, more capacity, more connectivity. So I'm really energized, passionate and committed to delivering this job, which is why we're resetting it. Breaking the cycle of continual cost increases and bad news on time and delays, we're breaking that cycle with a reset. This reset has to be right. I've spent the past year with colleagues working diligently to all of the scope, all of the items and activities into the correct order. It's worth the wait because this reset will be the one that will get us to the end of the job. It's not complete, but we're very nearly there and I look forward to sharing news on that in the near future. I'm also very pleased that we have a funding settlement in last year's spending review that gives us the financial stability to complete the civil engineering and the station's work, because that's essential no matter what in the reset, because we will start the system engineering, the track and overhead line, and that all depends on the completion of the civil engineering. 34,000 colleagues are working every single day productively, safely to get this job done while we reset the program. I'll leave it at that and look forward to giving you an update in the future. Thank you very much.